Meet Mr. Deepak. Like any other tech-savvy MSME leader, he knew the importance of Industry 4.0 and digitization of his manufacturing plant to have a competitive advantage. But he was always stuck with these three questions. 1. How will digitization happen? 2. Where should he start? 3. How much benefit will he achieve? And how much will it cost? Without wasting any time, he immediately contacted Limelight for Plant Digitization DEMO. Next day, Limelight team arrived at his plant and installed the demo of advanced OEE system. After OEE was installed, digital twin for all his equipment was created and now he has access to 1. Uptime and downtime, 2. Losses reports, 3. Daily production sheet. He was able to monitor production and was able to understand the major unplanned downtime to take necessary action. When he understood the power of data and digitization, he decided to deep dive with Limelight team and put his entire inventory from raw materials to finished goods into a digital platform to keep track of the complete production cycle using Limelight Integrated Tracking Hardware. He also automated the plant maintenance schedule using equipment vibration analysis system of Limelight. After 6 months, his plant is completely digitized for effective use of man, machine and material and has minimal unplanned downtime, which increases his plant production capacity by up to 25%. So, book your free plant digitization demo today with free consultation at www.limelight.io.